Hello guys, how's she going today? It's WendalSnipes here again with another vlog. I guess we're kind of doing vlogs now in a sense. Anyways, we're back working on this deck. Took a couple days off. Yesterday I actually left work fucking at lunchtime because I was sicker than a fucking dog. I'm still pretty sick. I'm not really feeling up to this, but I gotta get it done. So we're out here right now. Where do we start? Well, we of course don't have fucking lights in the shop yet, so it's a little dark. We got this little bad boy, and then the light from the moon, I guess you could say, out there. But we got this bad boy. I'm gonna cut this apart. That's that other parts I was talking about to make the other base thing. And then I kind of mocked this up. So these are gonna be sitting on there. Like so, you know what I mean? And there's gonna be two on each of those feet, 4 in total, of course. And then the deck's gonna go on top of there. We just gotta set those to height. And then they got like the adjusting screws and stuff too, that's pretty handy. So when it settles and stuff because of the new dirt work or whatever, then you can just adjust it. Pretty neat. Oh, Sophie came for a visit. Where are you going, Soph? We got work to do. Sophie, there's work to do. Where are you going? What are you doing out there? We got work to do. I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but if you guys like to spend money and you guys like Milwaukee products, I recommend this bad boy. It's like 13 amps, man. This thing will zip cut through anything. You fucking throw her on a piece of steel and you just let her eat. Oh, you fucking kidding me? Remember that fucking no stand issue? All my zip cuts are in the fucking job box. Cocksucker. I know a lot of you fuckers watching this are probably like, oh, where's your face shield? You should be wearing a face shield. Well, motherfucker, I got years of experience doing this. I'm not an idiot. I've had zip discs explode, but like, you don't put your fucking face in the line of fire and you're not gonna get hit like a fucking idiot. All those videos you see on TikTok and stuff with the zip discs like stuck in the face shield or the safety glasses, those are so fake. That would not happen. It would not curse explode and magically just stick in your fucking glasses. Like, they got everybody fooled though. They're doing good, but it's not real, guys. Now, with that said, obviously, it would still fuck you up and hurt. Probably still cut you if it hit you in the face. Probably, like, do a lot of damage if it still hit you in the face. But it's not getting stuck in your fucking face shield or whatever. And just happening all the time like you see on TikTok. Like, this is just a thing that happens all the time. It doesn't. But anyway, we got smart. We pulled out my zip discs and grinding discs and everything out of the job box. We're resetting up. We're gonna cut this, fuck around a bit. You know how it is. What did I just do with that fucking zip disc? I don't know, but I'll grab a different one. Ba-da-da-da-da. Anyways, I don't know how long my videos on YouTube are gonna last because I swear a lot, and that's not gonna change. So we might become like a Rumble. We might try the Rumble thing out. They didn't fuck around. Granted, it's a bunch of shitty welds, but they didn't fuck around. They welded it right out. Well, there was some fucking crazy winds today. Came home to this. Plus, it was all over the fucking yard. So I'm trying to pick that up. Already had it stacked nicely, but pretty neat. Pretty neat stuff. I don't know if you'll be able to see it from here. By the time I get over there, it'll be dark. But there's the kids' playhouse fucking smashed onto the ground. Oh, and there's the trampoline folded up. Yeah, sick. Deadly. Well, I don't really know what else to do, so we're just gonna fucking throw a couple pieces of dunnage on here, I guess, for the night. Because I can't stack all this stuff up tonight, right? Maybe a little bit of dirt on there too, I guess. But grab these sons of bitches. Ah, so close, so close. Come here, you come here, and you come here, and you both come here. Oh. I'm not a fucking hoe operator, if you can't tell. Like, I'm just kind of faking it till I make it here. But I feel like we're not doing terrible, but wow, it's gotta be something else we can probably do. YouTube thing works out good, we can get like a fucking tripod or a phone mount or something. I just kind of got it wedged up in here, wedged in the whole fucking thing. You know what I mean? Another good idea. We're gonna go grab the bucket here. Put her in fucking road here. You know that junk. come here. Alright. So we did that. This tin's all fucked, man. Oh, that's what I want to do. Let's give her the old fucking flippy do. Yeah. Okay, now check this out. Just delicate. Like, I don't know. That's about as good as it's gonna get. So, honestly, I think we did alright. I mean, it's pitch black out. Those pieces might fuck off still. But we got the majority down. We're just gonna leave that like this for the night. We'll deal with the rest tomorrow. Throw the old blade down on that little piece there. Whoop. Like, we're laughing, I think. We're laughing. Oh, anyways. Well, we got that done. Hopefully the wind fucks off for the night or till tomorrow, so that can get taken care of properly. I am still sicker than hell, and that was like the last thing I wanted to do after a day of work. But it is what it is, and just gotta keep your chin up, right? Make the best of each situation as it comes. Alright, well now we're gonna hook onto the dump trailer. Gonna bring that into town tomorrow. Probably didn't nail it. Oh, a little too far over, eh? We'll give that another how she's going. These cameras are like good and not good at the same time. Especially in the dark. Like, I can't fucking see fuck all while I'm trying to record too. Come on. Nope. Not gonna do her. This one. This one's it. Money shot. That's money. It's gotta be money. Money. Told you. Ooh, yeah. Anyways, we're hooked up, ready to go. Check the old lights work. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're good. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That was the last 2 days of just after work stuff. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more. We're just going to be hanging out doing random shit like that. I don't know. When we find a niche, we'll just stick with it. When we can get back to streaming, we'll do that too. But thanks for hanging out, you guys. Keep the shiny side up. Cheers.